Okay, I am going to solve the question number 103. This question was asked in 2025 CSIR Chemical Science paper. Chemical Science that was held on 28th July. Now, in this question, we have given a function that is cos theta, and I have to find maximum probability, that is maximum probability within this range 0 to 90 degree. We know that in case of an atom, the volume element d top is r square dr sin theta d theta d phi. And for only theta function, they use sin theta d theta for normalization. For normalizing the theta function. Hence, during normalization, or we say that, or calculating the total probability that goes to 1 in this region, the mathematical expression is cos square theta into sin theta d theta, and range is 0 to 90 degree, and this is n square, and this is equal to 1. This is mathematical function for normalizing this theta function, cos theta. Because psi star psi, this is cos square theta. Now, for any normalization, the integrand except the variable, differential variable, this is called the probability distribution function. The distribution function. So for this function, the probability distribution function is cos square theta sin theta. Okay. So for maximizing the probability, I have to find the theta value where this function is maximum. So for maximizing this function, that is cos square theta sin theta, this is your probability distribution, function, and I have to maximize this. So for any function, for maximizing, I have to first take the derivative of this function, goes to 0, and be calculating the x. After that, by double differentiate this function, and by putting this x value, we get the negative value of this function, and we say that this x gives maximum for the given function x, fx. So this is mathematical tool. For this function cos square theta sin theta, probability distribution function cos square theta sin theta, first of all differentiate with respect to theta equals to 0, and this gives sin theta is equal to 1 by root 3. We can calculate theta, but I have to check that this is maximum. So first of all, double differentiate this function. Double differentiation of this function. This gives, you can do that. This gives sin theta minus 7 plus 9 sin square theta. And by putting this value, we get 1 by root 3 minus 7 plus 9, 1 by 3, and this is equal to 3, that is negative, and minus 4 by root 3, and it is clear that this is the maximum. This gives the maximum for cos square theta sin theta. And we calculate sin theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to sin inverse 1 by root 3, and this is equal to something like 35.26 degrees Celsius, degree, and this is your answer, 35.26, that is given here, you see, that is given 35.3, it is